What's good, everyone? Welcome to the video. Welcome to the vlog. It's not morning, it's actually evening. I think it's 6 p.m. and I just heat up meal number 4 for today. Today is a rest day. I'm not gonna lie, guys. So this week it's been a challenge for me thinking of a video to do. And I was like, man, what should I talk about? What should I do? And then it just popped up in my mind. I really don't talk about rest days and the things I do on my rest days. So that being said, this video is about that. I'm gonna talk to you guys about my dieting, what I try to do on my rest day when it comes to dieting. I actually get up in the morning and do fasted cardio, but we're gonna head to the gym just to do abs and probably very, very light cardio again. But yeah, I just feel like I show you guys a lot of workout videos, back workouts, chest, shoulders, arms, but I don't show you guys rest days and what I do on rest days. Now I have 2 types of rest days. I have a rest day where it's an active rest day, like today. Active mean I just basically take a break from the weights, and then I have a rest day where I take a complete day off, not doing any physical activity. The most I will probably do is maybe just go for a walk around the park where I live at, and that's about it. That's just because I just want to get out the house or something. But right now I'm about to eat meal number 4. I will talk to you guys about my diet, the changes that I made to my diet, but I'm gonna show you meal number 4. So on rest days, guys, it is extremely important to keep that carb intake in check. For me, I try not to take in any carbs, so I'll increase my, there's a little bit of fogginess right there from the steam. All right, so right here we have 6 ounces of chicken, a serving of broccoli. But as I was saying, what I like to do, I like to pull the carbs, maybe increase the protein just a little bit, and then I bump up the fats, all right? Because at the end of the day, if you take out the carbs and you're just eating protein and veggies all day, your body still needs something. You still need something for energy. For me, fats work really, really well. So I've been eating almonds today. I buy these, close this. I buy these individual packet, well, a big bag of these individual packaged almonds. And for breakfast, I eat whole eggs. Try to eat the whole eggs in there. But again, I will talk about that later on. I'm actually about to eat this meal, and then we're gonna head to the gym. We're gonna train abs, do some light cardio. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of machines I like to do, the settings I'll show you guys all that, all right? And then I'm gonna show you the ab exercises. In one of my videos, I talked to you about trying to stay away from a lot of weighted ab exercises. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the body weight stuff I like to do, and then a couple weighted stuff that I'll do as well. So I'm about to eat this meal and then we're gonna head out. So we're gonna go ahead and get some BCAAs, and I need you guys to help me pick out which flavor to go with. I'm actually feeling like this orange mango cooler. I'm not really feeling like Concord grape. I'm kinda not really feeling like this one, I actually Rocket Freeze. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the orange mango cooler. I'm going to do 1 scoop of this and roughly about 20 ounces of water. I like to use a lot of water because I sip on this the whole time. And as you guys know, having a solid branched chain amino acids is very good, especially on those rest days, recovery days. And I like to also drink this when I'm weight training, but I'm just drinking this more so because it's like a sweet treat. Fighting that craving, y'all. All right, everyone, we just made it to the gym. Get ready to train the abs. I'm gonna show you guys 4 exercises that I like to do. I'm gonna show you 3 body weight exercises that I normally do and stick to, and then I'm gonna show you guys 1 weighted exercise that I do just to help develop just a little bit of thickness on my abs. Again, I try not to do a lot of weighted stuff. I try to do body weight stuff because at the end of the day, I just want defined abs. I don't want big, bulky, thick looking abs, all right? So I'm gonna show you guys 3 body weight exercises that I normally do. Now a lot of these exercises mainly focus for the lower abs, guys, but you do feel it throughout your whole abdomen, all right? Again, I try to aim for 4 sets, 15 to 20 reps, 30-second rest in between sets. It's very important to keep that rest down to a minimum and keep that intensity high, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the very first one. I'm gonna use this flat bench, this barbell. Now if you have just a regular flat bench that's for dumbbells or whatever the case may be, that's fine as well. You can do these on the floor, but I like using this bench because I feel like I fully stretch my abdomen out, all right? And we're gonna do like a lying leg lift, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate these exercises. Take notes, and yeah, let's go ahead and get it rolling. Alright everyone, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. I'm doing this part at work because I was at the gym trying to record this last segment of the video and it was just so loud in the gym. And then when I got home late that night or last night, it was just, the lighting in the house was just so dark. We don't have like good video camera lighting, we just have like that good relaxing lighting. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait till I get to work and I'll be able to do it in our, you know, garage style gym and record this last segment. So I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about rest day, what my rest days are like, and just basically how important rest days are for your training, for your body, everything. All right, and also I want to talk to you guys about my diet. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into the diet part, because a lot of you guys don't understand the diet is the key to all of this. All right. So for me right now, I'm switching up my diet. I'm going more to a low carb diet, a high fat diet. Low carb, increase the fats, all right? So during my second prep, my coach and I discovered that my body reacts very well to fats. Like having, you know, whole eggs, having almonds, you know, natural peanut butter, stuff like that. If I increase my fat levels, my body responds better, it burns fat, and I also have a lot of energy. We also discovered that I think I'm one of those people where carbs really don't serve a purpose for my body. Yes, I love carbs. I love them to death. When I was running a lot, I was probably burning a lot of energy, so that's the reason why carbs really didn't stick to me. But now that I'm trying to put on muscle, I realize that I don't need to take in a lot of carbs daily. I need to like put my carbs around my workout, and then the rest of my meals needs to be just lean meat, a vegetable, and some clean, lean fat, all right? Fats in my diet. So that being said, right now I changed my diet. Right now I'm taking in, I wanna say, give or take 120 to 150 grams of carbs, and those carbs are dispersed around my workout. So it's just like about 50 grams is put into my pre-workout meal because I don't want to feel full getting into the workout, and then the rest is put into my post-workout meal, and then all my other meals throughout the day before my workout and after my workout would just be meat, vegetables, and almonds or natural peanut butter or some kind of healthy fats. All right, we're gonna run this diet. I talked to my coach the other day. We're gonna run this diet for a little bit, see how I act, see if my body, you know, drops weight, see if I maintain my fullness. Like I said, during the last prep, I think I went like 8 days no carbs and just straight fats, high fats, protein, and my body was reacting very well, where a lot of people may not be able to do that. So I want to go ahead and get that part of the video, talk about that part of the video with you guys. And now let's talk about rest and recovery. So when it comes to rest and recovery, guys, I have 2 types of rest days. I have like an active rest day, and I also have a full rest day where I don't do anything. And I say active rest day because on that rest day I actually do fasted cardio, which is around 30 to 45 minutes depending on how I'm feeling that morning. And I also do abs. Now I usually do abs, I try to do abs before, but if not, I do abs after the cardio session, and then I eat. I do abs fasted as well. Either way, it doesn't matter. You guys can pick your choice if you want to try it out. And that day, like I said, that's more of just like getting up, just like get your body warmed up, your body temperature warmed up, and just keeping your metabolism going, all right? And then my second rest day of the week, which is on Sunday, that is a full shutdown. Don't do anything, don't touch the weights, don't go to the gym. If I want to do any physical activity, maybe go for a very brisk walk around the pond at this park where I live at, and that's about it. Just kind of like disconnect from the gym and just allow your body to go in full recovery mode, because at the end of the day, guys, especially when you're training hard, if you're training twice a day, you need to have those rest days in there. And being a natural bodybuilder or a natural weightlifter, you got to understand that it takes us a little bit longer to recover, and you have to respect that process, all right? For years, I used to work out twice a day, almost every day, going hard, and was wondering why I was not gaining any muscle, and sometimes was wondering why my strength was going down. Well, that's because my body was burning muscle. And I was eating a lot of junk food at the time, so I wasn't burning a ton of muscle because I was basically burning the junk food I was eating. But it all makes sense now that I got older, got wiser, learned more about fitness, learned more about working out, resting, all of that. So I have 2 active rest days a week. I feel like 2 is good enough. You know, right now I feel like I need to maybe do 2 full rest days where I don't do anything and just allow my body to like totally relax. Because when I train guys, I train with intensity. I don't just go in the gym and just go through the motions. I go in there and I leave sweating, and I leave like feeling like I really worked out. Some days it's not always like that, but most days it's like that for me. So I may go ahead and take that first rest day and just completely like don't do any cardio and just use that as a straight cutoff day. Just don't do anything as well. And so how my split works, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm doing weight training, maybe some cardio, post-workout, maybe fasting. Just depends on how I feel. Then Thursday is my active rest day, which I may be switching to a complete off day, or complete rest day, doing nothing. And then Friday, Saturday, again, weight training, maybe cardio, and then Sunday, complete off day. So I have 2 off days pretty much I have 1 off day pretty much every 2 to 3 training days, all right? So again, based on your training intensity and the volume and just how hard you go at it, depends your rest day. Depends on your rest days and how you need to like go on with your rest days. So I recommend you guys make sure you incorporate rest days in your split. If you're training 5 to 6 days a week, you may need to train 3 days on, take a day off. 3 days on, take a day off. You can try that split. If you feel like your body's recovering really well, you may can do 4 days on, 1 day off. But definitely you need to, I think after about 4 days, you definitely need to think about having a rest day into your split, all right? So I really just wanted to talk to you guys about that because I feel like it's a topic or a subject that I've never really hit on, and I feel like I don't want you guys to get into these, you know, get into your like your whole mindset and your whole drive of like working out motivated and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym every day, all day, because I'm gonna just get this physique I want. I want you guys to realize that you also have to take those rest days. And on those rest days, try to avoid junk foods, try to avoid sugars, try to avoid carbs. All right, now depending on your metabolism, your body type, for me, I can shut down carbs. Do I want to? No. And if I do carbs, it would be that morning. Now, I'm not on a prep or anything, so if I have a regular rest day, I may have a cheat meal. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you're someone who's really trying to make a lot of progress with your weight loss, you gotta stick true to that diet. You know what I'm saying? That's really gonna help you achieve that goal faster. So I didn't wanna keep this video too long. Right now I think we're at about almost 8 minutes, but I hope this was very useful for you guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. Feel free to DM me on Instagram. I've been answering DMs left and right, and a lot of you guys have really been appreciating that, so feel free to hit me up on Instagram if you have any more questions. Until next time, guys, peace. Also, don't forget to drink your BCAAs.